What did you say? You doing football?
Yes. This is my It's the Juju squad, and today we're here with Elia. Hi guys! And today we just got back from school, and we have a package. And I'm gonna open it with these scissors, and let's see what's inside. Oh my god! Part of the Slime Blocks Club! Whoa! This is cool. Okay, we're gonna show you what the thing says. That's the direction. Yeah, on what to do. It says ages 8+. Okay, we have a gummy hot dog. I think this is a bath ball. Have a dum-dum. A dum-dum.
What else?
And a warhead. Give us all the candy, just all of it. Okay, then this is a too sticky thing to where
sticky slime activator.
Yeah, to where if it's too sticky, you just put it in there.
So how many slimes?
We got like 3. We have 3, and we got some
beads.
Yeah, beads. We put in it. And mixing tools.
We got a mixing tool.
Oh, we got more.
We got 2 mixing tools. Or probably.
We have 3. They have 3 mixing tools.
Might be another one.
No, I think that's it. Okay, so now we are going to look at the slime. Oh my gosh, it actually has a scent to it. This one is mint chocolate chip. Ooh, that sounds good.
Right.
This one is cucumber melon chunk. And the last one is
Snickerdoodle.
oh my gosh, that probably smells good. Okay, so first one we're gonna try mint chocolate chip. I can't open it. Wow. Wow, so easy. Yes, so easy.
It is sticky.
It is kind of sticky.
It's got like a bead in it already.
It does have a bead in it. Let's smell it. Mmm, that smells amazing.
And what one is that one?
Mint chocolate chip.
I love slime. It just feels so satisfying.
Yes.
That looks disgusting though. It looks nasty, smells good, but it feels good. Yeah, you gotta mix the two.
Alright, so we're gonna move on.
Yeah, we're gonna move on to the next slime. Okay, so the next one is cucumber melon chunk. I'll open it this time. Whoa!
Ooh, this seems like they used a clear glue because it
Yeah.
has bubbles on top.
Mmm, that one smells good.
This feels like kind of like a watermelon.
Yeah, I think it's cucumber.
Melon, so yeah.
Maybe.
It's probably like a watermelon and cucumbers mixed, so.
Yeah, and it already has bees in it and everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
A million.
Yeah, it crackles when you move in it.
Like
That's
on the
so-
edge because we haven't touched the edge yet.
Ew.
The beads just feel kind of squishy.
Okay. That's weird.
Okay. Now we're going to
just
go.
love these slimes.
We're going to go to the Snickerdoodle. Let me try now. Nope, I can't open it. Listen it up for you, definitely.
I listened it up first though. There's some at the top too. This Snickerdoodle is very, very sticky.
You want to smell it?
Sure. That smells
Let me
good.
smell it. Oh my god, it actually smells like a real Snickerdoodle. Okay, now
Since this is
Mix
kind
it.
of too sticky, I'm gonna use our mixing tool.
see, look at this. Even the mixing tool is like, no. Okay, so
Just the best. Which one do y'all like out of each?
I like the cucumber melon.
chunk. I like both of these because this one smells amazing.
It's like
And
first,
this one-
second, third, because this one is just sticky.
Yeah, this one, Snickerdoodle, it smells amazing.
I like this one
This
because
one-
it's like kind of a crunchy slime.
Yeah, it's crunchy. You got bees in it. And it's not that sticky, but it does stretch at the same time.
See?
With this one, it does smell good. But it's kind of white, so it's just plain.
But look at the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom got,
Like kind of
like,
chocolate chips
yeah,
thing.
chocolate chips.
That's my favorite one.
Okay, on the card, it says, we get it every month.
Ooh, so we might get it this month. Wait.
At the end of this month, maybe?
Yeah, yep, maybe at the end of this one.
Or we might get it March. The first week of March.
Okay, so now we're going to use the too sticky, and it's an activator because we feel like this one is too sticky. So we're going to take some of this out of the of the bowl and put it in the top just in case this doesn't work. Oh, got it open. Okay, let's take it out. Here we go.
It's kind of like
Transfer.
we might need the purple one too. Just to cut it right there.
Get more. Shove it. It's so sticky.
Yeah, like
I think that's good.
just
Okay.
stick that in there.
Now we're going to add the activator and the sticky solution. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Whoa, it works.
It does. It's kind of good. I got slime over hands. Like this is the stickiest.
Okay. So now, you want to touch it to see if it's sticky? It's still kind of sticky, but I think it works.
It's
You just take it
better.
off afterwards.
Yeah, it's got better. We haven't played with this one that much yet. Whoa! Keep it on the top.
It's still going.
Jimmy.
It's still going.
Julia is on the side.
I'm sorry.
Look at this top now.
I didn't do it.
We both did it because we tried to transfer it.
Still sticky?
Yes, it's still a little sticky, but you could just push, like, put your finger back in the thing and it'll just come off.
Yeah, like this.
So now, do you want to add the beads?
Just a
Want to add the
little
beads?
bit.
Okay, just a little bit.
Wow. We're gonna do this one next. Okay. We're gonna do the. Get a little pinch of the beads. Some went on it, but. Boop, 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 boop. Mm. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. I think that's good now. Now, let's mix this. You can put the top on it right now. I still had some on the spoon.
Look at this, it's getting bubbles in it a little. Want to go in with our hands? Yes. That activator and two sticky slime really does work. 'Cause
Hey,
see, it's
thanks for
everything.
joining the Juju Squad. Make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, and tune in to other videos that's coming out.